How to make $100 a day, 6 methods. There are several reasons why you might want to learn how to make $100 every day guaranteed. And whether you're in severe need of cash or simply want to increase your earnings, this guide is for you. After all, there's a reason that the first step to increasing your wealth is to either save more money or earn more money, or, preferably, both. So, with this list of options, you'll be able to learn how to make quick money in one day and start improving your financial situation. True, some of the options on this list are more suited to someone who wants to gradually learn how to make $100 per day rather than someone who needs money right now. Whichever one you choose, they all have one thing in common: they're all really easy to use. Many of them can even be done while commuting or while wasting time in front of the TV. How to make $100 every day, for sure. Making more money may practically change your life, which comes as no surprise. Adding $100 a day to your present income could be used to achieve a variety of financial objectives, including getting rid of credit card debt, putting money aside for an emergency, investing in a 401k or other retirement plan, putting money aside for another financial goal, such as that long-awaited vacation. Whatever your financial objective is, use it as motivation to make some of the choices on this list a reality. You'll be certain to make $100 per day if you do it this way. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to learn more ways on how to make money online. Enjoy. 1. Fill out surveys. Surveys are one of the simplest ways to earn money because you can perform them from anywhere. Have some spare time on the way to work, while watching TV, or while waiting for your kids to finish football practice. Then you should surely take use of this opportunity to check out a few survey sites in order to get some money. 2. Get money back on your purchases. If you do any shopping and don't use one of the many cashback apps available, you're essentially wasting money. You can save thousands of dollars over time, not to mention how quickly you get your money compared to cutting coupons. 3. Express your viewpoints. Joining a paid focus group normally entails spending about an hour answering questions about a certain topic, which is usually related to a product or, on rare occasions, a political issue. This can usually be done online, but it can also be done in person or over the phone. However, you can make a lot of money in a short amount of time if you do it right. 4. Watch videos. You can also get paid to watch videos, which is an easy method to receive free money. Inbox Dollars is our top pick for the app with the finest selection of videos to watch, as well as the best reward, starting with a $5 welcome bonus. All you have to do is sign up, log in, and browse the video deals available. Clips from TV shows, celebrity interviews, movie trailers, and other sources are included. 5. Create a blog. Why not create a blog if you believe you have something to say that others want to hear? Starting a blog is really simple. 6. Cut your bills automatically. Trim is without a doubt one of the greatest free money management apps available. The software analyzes your regular subscriptions and recommends which ones you may cancel to save money. It can also automatically negotiate your bills on your behalf, allowing you to save money on your internet and cable bills, as well as your automobile insurance rate. Even better, it's completely free to test. Last thoughts on how to make $100 in a hurry. It's evident that there are numerous ways to earn $100 every day. The next question is which one of them is the best fit for you. As previously stated, it will mostly rely on why you require the additional funds. If you need money right away, concentrate on choices that pay you rapidly for actions you take today, such as watching videos. However, if you require more constant funds and are willing to wait, you may want to examine some of the longer-term possibilities. Whatever method you pick, boosting your income, even if it means earning $100 per day, is always a good idea, regardless of your financial goals. And with a little effort, you have a good chance of succeeding.